Good news. In here is a Neo 2, little Christmas present. I got the Neo 2 with 3 batteries. Didn't want anything else with it. Didn't want a controller. At the time, I didn't want the hand controller. I didn't want anything. I just wanted to run it nice and small with my phone. Then suddenly I saw a little deal on the DJI website, which they've actually stopped now. But that deal is still available right now on Amazon. If you've watched this video, the Amazon link. Now they're doing the Neo 1. This came through just now. And I'm getting quite excited about this. The only downside is I might have time to use it because it's getting late in the afternoon. I've got a lack of time. But in this box here, we should see the Neo 1. Oh, it's deep. It's deep. Right. Brilliant. Look at that. That's the Neo 1. Right. With the goggles. I think they're the N3 and the RC2, whatever, controller. I like to give a little password for that. So this is going on the sale at the moment. So you've got to remember, because they've got these box sets, DJI at the moment are getting rid of these Neo 1s. So obviously they've got these box sets for these controllers. They sell them off quite cheap. So the plan is for me to obviously keep the goggles, keep the controller, the RC, whatever it's called. Actually, let me just have a little look. Doesn't really say on the box, whatever it's called. That's Motion Fly More Combo. And I think it's got 3 batteries with it. So I'll be selling the Neo 1. I'll be selling the 3 batteries. And let's just double check that I've got the 3 batteries. And I'll be keeping the goggles and the controller. Right. So there's the brand new. I only sold one of these the other day. There's the brand new Neo 1. Bagged up. I'm not even going to do that. Put that to one side. Take the insert out. This is what I'm after. I'm getting excited. This is the controller. The RC blah blah blah. Oh no, it's not. Yes, it's. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. Spare props. I'll be selling the spare props with the Neo 1. Screwdriver. I've got quite a few bits in here. Look. Oh yeah, so you got the instruction booklet manual. Won't be doing that. 3 batteries. So that's got a battery. The drone's already got a battery on it. 2 batteries there and a battery charger for the Neo 1, brand new. Check out my listing on eBay or Etsy. Screwdriver for your props. That's what I'll be keeping. That's smaller than I thought. It's tiny. I don't know why. I'd imagine it'd be a bit bigger. But I will put a link up, a note up, so I think it's going to be RC something or other. Now apparently you meant to pair this with the goggles and the drone. Oh sweet, that is. I shouldn't need to pair that with the goggles because it came as a kit. Apparently, from what I've read, from what I've seen, if it comes as a kit with the goggles, they've already paired. But I will need to pair this with the Neo 2. I'm sure it's got a charging port on the bottom of it, which it has there, and fast forward with brake, reverse, etc. That is looking. That's nice. It's smaller than I thought. The goggles are big because the goggles are the Goggles N3, I think, which are the older, bigger goggles. Little lanyard there, throw it over there. USB cable, I'll put that over there. There's another box here, and it's just packing. Here we go, the goggles. There's a oh, there's an eye thing in the middle. In the foam thing just dropped out. Protection foam thing just dropped out. I thought I just saw it light up then. There's lens protector cardboard in the side there. Remove before use. There's lens. I'm just trying it all in the box over there. So I think the battery is in the battery pack there. You get a strap for. Well, it's got a hole there for a strap and a hole there for a strap, but you don't. It doesn't come with one apparently. So you adjust that before you go out. I've read a couple of little videos on it. It's got your antenna there. Put your antennas up. Your aerials, whatever you want to call them. And you need the transceiver. I already bought the transceiver in advance. I screwed to the back of the Neo 2. And you got a little charging port there. So, next video, you'll see me flying this. I'm not going to go massively in depth with it because there's loads of videos online. But you got two protectors in there, so I'll take that off. Remove before use. Obviously, remove before use because you won't be able to see anything. Oh wow! I'll have a little tie up in a minute. Yeah. So apparently, you just go. I can't see anything at the moment. That is weird because you can't actually see anything out the front. Apparently when you fly these drones, you sort of got to sit somewhere quietly down a park or a field. Because, yeah, you can't actually see anything out there. It's completely blank. That is a bit disconcerting for me. I've never ever used one of these before in my life. You got a little joystick at the top there which controls it, and another little button to enter the menu. So you've got on-off button there. So I'll have it all tied up. I'm going to pair this up. And I'm going to... yeah, it's very disconcerting because you don't see anything through the actual lenses. Well, you do. You see what's on the drone camera. Oh, you got an adjustment on the back there for the strap. That's oh yeah, look at that. That's all right. Grab it now where you can. I'm in this video now. This is brilliant. It's actually quality bit. It's quality. Grab it where you can now. Yeah, the DJI Neo 1 with the goggles and the controller. And then what do I do with that controller? That's dinky. It's not enough fault. It's all right. And apparently, you sort of press that twice to turn your props on, and then press and hold it to get it up and running. So I'm going to pair this all up now. Apparently, I think I've got to go into this and pair with the drone, and I'll be back and get excited with this. The sun's still shining out there at the moment. It's a Sunday afternoon. Yeah, I think I'm tempted to go down the park. I'll do a few jobs first, but I'm looking forward to this. I'm assuming the battery's in the back of this, or built into this, is it? I don't know. That's cool. I'll see you again. Like, subscribe. I'm going to end this video here. Just want to do a little quick unboxing. And I'm going to go through pairing it up. I think to switch it on, you do that. Got any power? No power at all. The power button on the side there. I switched most of the DJI stuff on. You press it once, press it and hold it again. Nothing. So I'm going to charge that up. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye.